The journey to transformation begins today, begins now. Want to be successful, you have to work on being happy. I'll tell you why. Because as per the science, happy people are 13% more productive, they are more driven, they are more loyal, they are more consistent, they are more resilient, they are more passionate. I can go on and on and on. आप लखनऊ में नहीं हैं, आप गोवा में हैं. All the more reasons for you to smile. Come on. कौन कौन तैयार है अपना रिमोट अपने हाथ में वापस लेने के लिए? Who is going to have the remote of their lives in their hands? When was the last time that you cleansed in here? Now, everyday activities, the garbage that we accumulate during the course of the day, every single day, and I am using the word garbage very responsibly. Because, 50 or more % of the activities that happen during the day are not very pleasant. We are going through anxiety, we are going through stress, we are going through anger. There is so much negative emotions inside of us पूरे दिन में, right? और हम उसको clean तो करते ही नहीं, हम उसको कहीं लेकर ही नहीं जाते. Now tell me, what happens when a garbage is left unattended for a very long period of time? Absolutely, it starts to decay, right? Now, the garbage that you have put in here, when it starts to decay, how will it affect your physical being? So more than 50% of your diseases, my friends, I'm not a doctor, I'm still telling you, more than 50% of your diseases that you have in your body are the manifestation of your thoughts. Physiology is the state of your body. State of your body defines the state of your mind. I will repeat this again. State of your body will define the state of your mind. Can I request all of you to rise up? Chalo. Everybody rise up, rise up, rise up. Let's put this physiology to test. From the time you started off with the session and to now, how do you feel? Yes? All of you feel good? एक बार जोरदार तालियां बजाते हैं. Come on, let's do this. तो ये मैं नहीं हूँ. It is my identity. This is what I carry all the time. And when I meet you, I don't meet you. I meets the I. And then we say it is so difficult to form connections in today's time. The problem is not in the generation. The problem is this. Take a deep breath.
Your chest as it follows your breath.
Wow. For some time, if it is possible for us to release the identities we are so attached to. And now that we have casted away our identity for some time, you know what we are going to do? We will now travel to our childhood. Now I am going to give you an opportunity to do something that even your parents didn't give you. You know what are we going to do now? We are going to give ourselves a new name. तो अब आपको ये पता है कि आपके अंदर एक सुपर कैरेक्टर है. Next time you are feeling low, you are feeling depressed, you are feeling disturbed, you don't have to call up your friend to give you moral support. You have Eklavya. You have Salman Khan within you to give you that moral booster. Can you see a thank you card in there? Yes? Now this, what you have to do is, you have to give this card to someone you think you haven't thanked enough in life. The journey to transformation begins today, begins now.
So, on behalf of the whole team of sales of Indonesian, I'd like to thank you, Aisha.